case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1980 case of People v. Casassa, heard by the New York Court of Appeals, centered around a gruesome murder committed amidst the rejection of a romantic relationship. It delved into the complicated notions of extreme emotional disturbance and the requirements for it to serve as a defense in a murder case. In this case, the victim ended her relationship with the defendant, leaving him in a state of emotional devastation. Responding to this rejection, the defendant adopted a terrifying pattern of stalking and harassment. He used the apartment below hers to eavesdrop on her conversations, and on one horrifying occasion, broke into her apartment during her absence. Naked, he awaited her return armed with a knife. Notwithstanding these drastic measures, his numerous attempts to make amends with gifts were consistently refused by the victim. The final encounter ended fatally when she rejected his wine offering, and he answered that rejection with multiple knife wounds. The case pivoted around the defendant's claim of extreme emotional disturbance resulting from this repeated rejection. However, the trial court dismissed this defense, refusing to accept his asserted emotional state as grounds for murder. Believing that the court erred, the defendant appealed. He argued that his actions were the direct result of an emotional breakdown, which should be considered a legal defense. Nonetheless, the appellate division affirmed the lower court's decision, holding that the extreme emotional disturbance defense requires an objective verification of both the defendant's disturbance and its reasonability. They ruled that the defendant's actions were stemmed from mere malevolence and did not meet the standards required for the objective reasonability of his emotional state. The court concluded that the defendant's case did not adequately demonstrate the objective influence of a credible, reasonable emotional disturbance. This verdict underscored the necessity for objectivity in proving such a defense, dismissing the defendant's subjective idiosyncrasies as inconsequential to the case at hand.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.